Alright, that's basically my view from my head level. When I'm sitting on the bike, I'm about right here. I look down, I can see the phone. The gauge cluster I've already talked about. What's new is this. Quad lock phone mount. That's simple. This little box. Cheap Amazon USB. I have it running down. Fashionably tied into my wiring. Those are just useless plugs because I don't have a gear selector indicator. Anyway, it ties into that bundle on the key switch side, and if I can make it focus, it's being a butt. There we go. Turn the key on. Damn it, focus. There you go. You can see charging, not charging. Charging. Alright, I'll black the screen out on the phone. Turn the key on. How nice is that, huh? This is all still on the stock stator. I've had zero trouble with the stock stator. I don't know if maybe I'm doing something different. Everyone else needs to upgrade it, but it's still the stock stator. I'm thinking my only difference is everything, including the headlight bulb, is absolutely LED. I'm drawing practically no electricity. But now I got my setup where I like it. I can get out of this hot container in this Texas heat. Everything's too wet to ride. There's no contact, just it's tight. But anyway, yeah, it's too wet to ride. Yeah, the water's down. There's an island now. Yesterday, that patch of grass past that little stream was not there. That was all underwater. That's not supposed to be water there. There's a creek way in the back, but anyway, everything's too flooded up. Can't enjoy riding in floodwater really, and got my bike all set up. Now I got to work on Dad's XR650 and get him a phone mount and USB plug on there. We use the same little LED turn signals. They're just so damn nice. I'm trying to convince him to change up that front fender. It doesn't seem like that big a deal, but that really made a big difference on the highway. I guess I just didn't notice it enough to care with the old one, but it is better with that fender. Anyway, Dad's bike, my bike. My weirdly customized XR650R. Anyway, probably done with videos for a while. Time to ride.